My guess is that you've seen this video right here. I could not get views until I tried this from Think Media. And you watch the video and you're like, that's great. Thumbnails, thumbnails, thumbnails. I've heard that before. Yes, he's wonderful. But let me just show you something that might blow your mind. Here's one of my top viewed videos that blew up my YouTube channel at 3.9 million views, $46,000. Let me just show you something a little bit wild and crazy. Going over to reach here, look at the click-through rate on this, 2.5%. This is a terrible thumbnail. Yet how do I get over 4 million views and cause my YouTube channel to blow up entirely? Didn't really have anything to do with the thumbnail. So now Nolan is not incorrect. However, there's more to the story than this, something that's even more important. We're just going to use my cleaning YouTube channel as an example, your audience. Look at this right here. We got the purple line, that's returning viewers, and then the blue line are new viewers. But what if your new viewer line isn't very great? Meaning not many new people are coming in to watch your content and your views are low. Well, if you've been around here a hot minute, you know that on this cleaning channel, it used to be a Clean With Me YouTube channel. I heard they're popular. No idea why I did that sort of content, but look at the views on this: 386 views, 475 views, 1,000 views, 916 views, 512 views. I did this for over a year and a half with limited views on my YouTube channel. But what if the audience that you're trying to reach with your YouTube videos is not the right audience for you? Or what if it's already too saturated? Everyone tells you not to quit on YouTube, but maybe it's time to pivot. With your next YouTube video, I want you to try something a little bit different. When I published this video, my subscribers hated it. I thought it was a dud. As you can see here, look at this flat line for 3 or more months. But then 3-month magic hit and boom, it took off like hotcakes and it blew up my entire channel. I went from 15,000 subscribers to over 100,000 subscribers. This video alone earned me almost 80,000 subscribers. So are thumbnails important? Heck yes. But sometimes what's even more important is the actual topic of your YouTube video. Let me show you a little something I'm doing on my Meditate Daily with Andrea YouTube channel so that you can also apply this to yours. Let's go to videos. Now you can see a couple topics here. This is called a shifting reality meditation. This is a shifting reality meditation. And this is also a shifting reality meditation. My regular audience is not particularly interested in these types of topics. However, I have the opportunity over time to pull in maybe potentially a wider audience, but you have to be patient and you have to be persistent. And remember my 3-month magic rule. Now check out this video right here. You will not be a small YouTube channel after watching this video. Super quick, super informative for you to help you grow faster. Linked on screen now and in the description box below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.